So today's a big day. We got Romeo 214 all painted and glued together and sealed and everything. I'm pretty happy with how he turned out. I'm trying something new that I started with Tanya the Time Traveler. My other figures, I always wrap the elbows and knees and feet and thing with fabric, but starting with Tanya and now with him, I'm making all the joints out of air dry clay. So he's completely made from copper and wood and clay. And I think I'm getting some neater effects. It gives me opportunities to make more details so they look more robot-like. So, and like I mentioned before, I fabricated everything, the mailbox. I made the mailbox and the fence and the environment that he's standing on. I thought it'd be kind of neat that he's living in a house on an old dirt road. The only thing I didn't make was the dog, but I did stain him up some so he looks like he's a happy dog that's been rolled in the mud. And I think I was successful too in that he really does look like he's looking for that Valentine that he wants to get. So anyway, so my next step would be to take some nice photographs of them, and then I'll be moving on to the next one. So that's Romeo 214. I'm pretty happy with how he turned out, and thanks everybody for watching. Anyway, thanks.